In this section, I am going to discuss about what is font size property, and we'll also see the use of this property practically. So the font size property is used to set the size of the fonts. The syntax is very simple, as you can see. So in the code you can see that I have defined a paragraph and an h1. Let's set up the font size here. I'm going to say h1 font size 26 pixels and paragraph font size 18 pixels. Saving this and let's see the output. So right now it is using absolute value of pixels, but there are a lot of different units of measurement which you can use for this. Let's check them. There are reserved keywords for font size, and it starts from XX-small to all the way up to XX-large. So here in H1 I'm going to say XX-large, and for paragraph I'll say XX-small. So you can see very large heading and very small paragraph text. Now let's say X-large and X-small. We'll also check large and small. And finally, we have medium. So you can see it has exactly the same size. So we basically have 7 reserved keywords, that is small, x small, XX small, large, x large, that is extra large, XX large, and medium. There can be difference in size depending on which browser you run. Now we all know that the browser have default style sheets that apply. So the H1 and paragraph elements have default sizes which are set within the browser. So anytime I am applying these font sizes, I am only overwriting them. The default sizes in the browser are using the relative unit of measurement like ems. So let's look at how ems work. For heading I'll say 1.5 em, and for paragraph I'll say 1.2 em. Saving this, let's check this on the browser. So you can see some difference in the heading and text. Now the value are calculated based on their parent element. Since we do not have the font size defined in the body, the browser is just showing the values entered by the user. So let's give font size to the body. I'll say about 80%. So now the browser will show 80% of whatever the user defined size is. Using the unit scale as M is more preferable, as the relationship between these two will remain the same whether the text scaling is up and down. That means if you are viewing this on a mobile device or maybe a desktop browser, the relationship between these two elements size wise will remain the same. So this is how you can use the font size property.